Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zergul. In today's video, I am going to talk about some health benefits of eating watermelon. Why you should eat daily and at which time of the day you should eat watermelon. Watermelon is a sweet and refreshing fruit. It has only 46 calories per cup. Watermelon is high in water. It hydrates and help you feel full. If you have dehydration problem, eating watermelon daily will surely help. Watermelon is high in nutrients. Watermelon is a low-calorie fruit that contains some very beneficial nutrients, especially carotenoids, vitamin C, and citric acids. Here are some nutritional facts about watermelon. 1 cup of watermelon contains vitamin C 21%, vitamin A 18%, potassium 5%, vitamin B1, B5 and B6 3%, magnesium 4% of watermelon controls blood pressure. Researchers found that watermelon extract reduce blood pressure in and around the ankles and middle-aged people with obesity and early hypertension. Watermelon helps in cancer prevention. Some compounds in watermelon include cucurbitacin, E and lycopene have been studied for their anti-cancer properties, which provide shielding effect for cancer and helps to prevent it. Watermelon contains many heart-healthy ingredients including lycopene, citrulline and other vitamins and minerals. Lycopene inhibits various anti-inflammatory processes and also act as antioxidant to neutralize free radicals. Watermelon helps in muscles pain relief. Watermelon is good for skin and hairs. Watermelon has many nutrients that are good for your hairs and skin. Watermelon is best for digestion. Watermelon contains a lot of water and fibers. Both of these are very important for good digestion. Watermelon is an amazing healthy food, which means that watermelon is not just a tasty fruit, it also great for your health. Now you know the health benefits of watermelon. Make sure to add it in your diet. Eat 1 hour before you going to bed at night for its best digestion and nutritional effects. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, check more our YouTube channel. Click subscribe button to show your support. Thank you.